Imagine you just stopped paying for expensive software. What if the powerful tools you need for video editing, graphic design, and automation aren't locked behind a paywall anymore? What if they've been hiding in your pocket this entire time? The average person spends over $100 a year on software subscriptions, draining their wallet for tasks that can now be done for free. But what you're about to see will change that forever. In this video, we are going to unveil 5 free Android apps that don't just mimic expensive desktop software, they often outperform them, giving you professional-grade power without a single cent leaving your bank account. And the 5th one on this list is so comprehensive, it literally replaces a suite of tools that would normally cost you over $300. But before we get to that game changer, we need to start with the foundation of modern productivity, automation. You've probably heard of IFTTT or even paid for services like Zapier to connect your apps and automate your digital life. Those are powerful, but they can be complex and expensive. What if you could automate everything on your phone? The messages, the Wi-Fi toggling, the file backups with a visual, intuitive tool that feels like building a flowchart. Enter Automate by Llama Lab. This app is a revelation. You drag and drop blocks onto a canvas, connecting triggers like your location or the time of day to actions like sending a pre-written text or saving a new photo to a specific cloud folder. It replaces subscription-based automation services that can easily cost $50 to $100 per year. The best part? The free version is so robust that for most users, it's all they'll ever need. Think about automatically silencing your phone when you get to work, or having your morning news article read aloud to you as you commute. This is the power you now hold. But automation is just the beginning. What about when you need to create stunning visual content? This is where most people feel the pinch. Software like Adobe Photoshop or Lightroom can set you back a significant monthly fee. But what if I told you that one of the most powerful photo editors on the planet is not only free, but was created by Google? Snapseed is a masterpiece of mobile software engineering. This isn't just a filter app. We're talking about full control. You can edit raw image files from professional cameras, make precise adjustments with the selective tool that acts like layers, and use the curves function for color grading that rivals any desktop application. I once edited a magazine cover photo entirely on Snapseed during a flight, and no one could tell the difference. It completely replaces the need for a $120 per year Adobe Lightroom subscription for millions of users. But creating visuals is one thing. Managing and distributing the files you create is another beast entirely. Which brings us to a silent workhorse, an app you'll install once and wonder how you ever lived without it. Zarchiver on desktop, managing compressed files, zip, RAR, or 7Z often requires paid software like WinRAR or BetterZip, which can cost between $30 and $50. Zarchiver does all of that and more on your Android device for free. Need to extract a massive RAR file to access a project folder? Done. Want to create a password-protected zip archive of sensitive documents and email it directly from your phone? Zarchiver handles it with ease. Its simple interface belies its incredible power, giving you complete control over file compression and saving you from buying a dedicated desktop license. It's the kind of foundational tool we explored in our deep dive on organizing your digital life, where we built a complete free productivity system. But what about when your projects involve more than just photos and files? What if you're working with sound? The world of audio editing has been dominated by expensive software like Audacity is free, but pro-level tools like Adobe Audition or Ableton Live can cost hundreds. On mobile, the options were once very limited. That is, until you discover Wave Editor. This app is a full-fledged multi-track audio workstation on your phone. You can import multiple audio files, layer them, trim with sample-level accuracy, apply filters like noise reduction and reverb, and export in a variety of formats. While it has a premium version, the free tier of Wave Editor is so powerful that it completely replaces the need for entry-level desktop audio software for most podcasters, musicians, and video creators. Imagine recording a voiceover for a video and cleaning it up perfectly while you're still on the go without ever needing to open your laptop. This level of mobile power was unthinkable just a few years ago. But all these tools are for creation and organization. What about navigation and exploration? What about when you're off the grid? This is where we get to the fifth app, the one I hinted at that replaces an entire suite of expensive tools. Forget paying for a Garmin or TomTom GPS subscription. Forget the expensive offline map services that charge for downloadable regions. Osmond, built on the collaborative OpenStreetMap project, is a mapping titan. It offers detailed vector-based offline maps for the entire world with turn-by-turn navigation for driving, walking, and cycling. It shows you contour lines for hiking, points of interest that other maps miss, and it does all of this without a single byte of your mobile data. The amount of money this single app saves on GPS device subscriptions, on data overage charges while traveling, on specialized hiking map software is staggering. Easily over $100 for any serious traveler. It's the kind of app that makes you realize your phone's true potential, much like the automation tools we discussed earlier, but applied to the physical world. If you think navigating the world for free is powerful, the way we leverage these tools to build entire online businesses is a conversation for another guide that will truly blow your mind. So let's take a step back. You now have Automate for your digital workflows, Snapseed for your creative visuals, Zarchiver for your file management, Wave Editor for your audio projects, and Osmond for your navigation. Together, these 5 free apps have just saved you hundreds of dollars in software subscriptions and license fees. They've untethered you from your desk and put professional-grade capability directly into your hands. The barrier between an idea and its execution has never been thinner. The most exciting part is imagining what you will build with this new toolkit. The projects and solutions this community comes up with constantly inspire me, and I have no doubt that what you create will be incredible.